I guess this shit is off the wall. Everybody was wondering how the hell I did that Into the Dragon shit, right? I done told you before, my shit be so dope and everybody has to hit the stove. But in my case, it never be a liquor store. Some chicks wanna have that shit, cause they bounce and bouncy, get their ass on the lumpsy. Shit be so undercover in this motherfucker, my shit is bad. Ain't too many motherfuckers know it, but anybody be trying to show it. They know I'm bad to the gate, and they know my shit is bad. You see my iced out fucking bracelet on, and you see my iced out chain on. And everybody gotta give homage to that shit. They love me to death, they all in the rafters. They love me to death, they all in the rafters. They love me to death, I'm all in the rafters. They love me to death, I'm all in the rafters. Ain't a minute that everybody be seeing that. They love me to death, I'm all in the rafters. They love me to death, I'm all in the rafters. They love me to death, I'm all in the rafters. Damn, it's been like that. It's been like that. It's been like that. They love me to death, I'm in the rafters. They love me to death. They love me to death. They love me to death. Awaken the beast. 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 Wait a minute. Awaken the freaking beast. I done told you this shit is like hobbits and this land of cabbage. Damn, I'm a monster. Damn, I'm on this set again. Everybody be loving the fucking fact that I'm so ill to the max. I got all these little girls in high school bumping my shit because they know that my shit is so fucking real and the truest, and they know that nigga can spit better. Flow be markeless, and my shit be down in the gutter cause I spit real shit. My shit is bad, like everybody just trying to come up. But I'm a iced out, ready chamber to fucking do it, and everybody know that the word is like that. You see with the energetic flow I'm spitting right now, everybody be knocking their ass to the shit. Awaken the beast, awaken the beast. Wait a minute, awaken the beast. Awaken the beast, awaken the beast. Awaken the beast. In a minute you waking the beast up. In a minute you waking the beast up. Awaken the beast. Awaken the beast. Awaken the beast. Awaken the beast. I done told ya, my shit is like that. So many motherfuckers hearing me now, they like, damn, that nigga Adam can get it. Everybody can spit it. But I told ya before, my name is Triple A. From the hot ass Magritte, saying nobody else can understand that I'm from Brick City North. So anybody that can spit from Brick City North, you know Method Man and Redman and Queen Latifah can rap that shit too. I have to say it, awaken the beast, awaken the beast, awaken the beast, awaken the beast. Wait a minute, awaken the beast. Wait a minute, awaken the beast. Wait a minute, awaken the beast. 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 Told you, awaken the beast. Awaken the beast. I'm ready. They get it like this all the time. Vendetta. Chain so hot like a Sunday.